Hey, welcome to Slamfire. So back here we have a piece of steel. I believe it's about 1/4 inch thick. It's mild steel, and we're gonna shoot at it with the AR. See what kind of damage a 5.56 can do. Let's get to it. Weapon's hot. Eyes and ears. Firing.
High. Low. Got it.
Alright, let's go check it out. Weapon clear. Alright, so this is a piece of steel we just shot at. And as you can see, we hit it. So this is a piece of mild steel. I thought for sure that the bullet would go all the way through, and it obviously didn't. As you can see, look at the back. There's a nice little bump right there. It's pretty awesome. Let's go shoot it some more. Eyes and ears. Firing.